like foreign guys, huh?
Yes, I love foreign guys
Because
because
they
someday
are
I want
nice.
to husband.
Foreigner.
Yeah,
And
not
money.
not only money. I
Because
want to uh in my life uh being a guy to love me.
and accept who you
Yeah,
are. Yeah,
accept me
because some
where I am.
foreigner they will accept lady boy uh with their heart and treating them nice, you know.
I don't like Filipino boyfriend.
Because
They don't have money.
but
Yeah,
yeah, cause Filipino they just gonna use the lady boy for money, right?
yeah,
Which is that's good that you don't like Filipino now.
yeah.
Which is just save your money for yourself instead giving it to the Filipino guys.
Money is very important.